Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to fix 4x3 60Hz problem in CS2. So it's gonna be really basic. So right now I'm playing with 16:9 and then I can choose 144 Hz, but when you play 4x3 so you cannot choose the 144 Hz. So what you need to do is you can choose any resolution in here, and then in the display mode all you have to do is just go for window and then go apply changes, and then let me choose the highest one. So and then when you do this, just go back to the window and then go back to full screen, and then in here, so right now you can choose any hertz in here. So I'm gonna choose 144, and then you can also choose any resolution in here. So let's say that you want to play this, you can just click on apply changes, and then as you can see right now it's 4x3 and then full screen, and then you are playing with 144 Hz. You can also change anything from here. So this is how to fix 4x3 60 Hz problem in CS2. See you guys in the next tutorial.